YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This is Moses. As you can see, all of the beds are put together. We have 6 of the tall birdies beds. You have a circular bed from Aviga, and then you have the rectangular bed from a Neolife. So what I'm going to do today is to go through my old garden, perhaps you can see it, and remove the beds that I had back in 2003 and try to level everything off and get rid of it. Also cut some of the fencing out so I can get in and put the beds down. So here's my finish for today. I removed all the old beds and cleaned up the ground inside the area. I went ahead and put down some yard fabric and landscaping fabric rather, and went ahead and put the beds in. The beds are not in their final positions. I want to put some more space between them. And then my next thing to do is to fill them up. I'm going to try to practice the hugelkultur method. First thing I'm going to do is put down some cardboard boxes, mainly the boxes that these raised beds came in. And then I'm going to put down some logs and twigs and other stuff. Then I'm going to rake up a bunch of leaves and put them down. And then lastly, I'm going to put in some compost in the form of horse manure and then some topsoil. And next thing after that will be the irrigation system. Irrigation system will be a separate video, as will filling the beds also. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we made incremental steps in getting Urban Backyard Container Garden 2.0 on its feet. We're getting closer, and I thank you for watching and coming along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment and I will reply. You can also share my content. If you're interested in any of the beds, there's a video for the Aviga round one that is coming out, and the Leon long rectangular one has already come out. I'll put a link in the description portion or on the screen for both of them. Until next time, always remember to give God the thanks, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.